Singer Jacquard remanded until November as Dutch prosecutors challenge attempted
Welcome
murder.
to Links
Acquittal.
007
Hi again
TV
and welcome.
News
This is
Report,
Links 007
providing you with the
TV
best
News
in local
and
and
we'll be right back with the
international
full
news
details to come.
updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Reggae singer Jacquard will continue serving his 6-year sentence for attempted manslaughter in the Netherlands. The singer appeared in a pro forma hearing in Dutch court as prosecutors have been pushing to overturn his attempted murder acquittal. The process is still in the hands of the investigative judge for the hearing of witnesses. The next pro forma hearing for Jacquard is slated for November the 12th. Jacquard appeared in court for his pro forma hearing on August 21st. According to Dutch law, inmates have to attend a pro forma hearing while awaiting a court date for an actual trial. Therefore, a judge has to decide about the incarceration, whether to keep the suspect incarcerated or not every 90 days. In March 2022, the Jamaican singer whose real name is Signature Alclough was In March 2022, the Jamaican singer whose real name is Signature Alclough was convicted of attempted manslaughter and sentenced to 6 years in prison after he stabbed a Dutch concert promoter over unpaid performance fees in October 2021. The trial judges had ruled that Jacquard's actions were premeditated act of attempted murder and he was acquitted of the more serious charge. However, following the sentence, Dutch prosecutors appealed against the acquittal of the attempted murder charge. He was remanded in January 2024 pending a new trial. Jacquard is known for hits such as Longing For, That Girl, and True Reflection Behind Prison Walls. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.